it just takes off. That is the V8 beast that you hear growling on the streets. Of course, if you stay in a quiet neighborhood, you can adjust the exhaust growl, mute it through that button I showed you here. But wow, this is what I love, the GLE 63S. This is actually my dream car, at least one of my dream cars in the Mercedes AMG lineup. Wow, there is nothing disappointing about this SUV. Wow, it just takes off. Brakes are pretty solid. Wow, it is pulling away in a tremendous fashion. The suspension in the Sport Plus mode, you get enough of a tough ride, and also the AMG Ride Control Plus. As I turn around the corner, you can feel the car leaning in. The throttle response is just adequate, perfect. The steering response, the suspension, you're basically one with the car. It just drives so well. Wow, it just doesn't get better than that. Standard options in this GLE Coupe, we do have the MBUX infotainment system, controlled through this 12.3-inch touchscreen OLED display. Okay, so that's pretty standard in the GLE Coupe. So I'm gonna keep the airflow going because it's an extremely hot day.